tell us what's been going on with you.
As you know, I'm at Lesedi FM, SABC. I've got my show there. So I'm no longer doing the 12 to 3. Now I'm doing 3 to 6.
What is it called?
Ditawa Dikalani. Yeah. And then also, Jikom Zanzi, Channel 321. I'm doing a show called Please Call Me. It's a request show where people have to send a please call and then I call them back. Which video they want to see for the night, and then I play this. Yeah, I play the music video.
Tell me about your music career. What's going on there?
Truly speaking, nothing at all. I've retired when coming to Tabaza music because of Batobanga. They've been asking me a lot. Next time, when are you coming back to the music industry? I said to them, no guys, I have to be very clear. I'm not coming back anymore. He concentrated on being a radio presenter and also a TV presenter. Tabaya bina for naki feel it's long overdue. But kikadulanse ki entertainer when ubalidi events sonalizena. Kidulanse ki ba MC ubani, the energy is still there, the creativity is still there, the talent is still there, and the luana wa iponela mos. The body luana is the day. I'm taking care of myself. So, and I've got a new baby, only 9 months. I'm a mother of 2 boys. It's a national squad very soon.